let's take a look to our aluminum grilled sectional door. This one is the rear head turner if you are looking for the antique texture. And we built the foundation using the heavy-duty 6063 T5 aluminum frame. Hey, see? No, it's not ours. Yes, it's ours. Very easy to see the difference thickness. Yes, you are right. We are always thick enough. What's the thickness you can see? Yes, that's ours. That is the double of our products. And we are always using the double products. If you like it, please don't hesitate to talk to me. Bye!